Katie.
And this is iClassroom, the only web show that you can learn science or any other subject in the whole wide world. Now, here's a study guide for our science test. Here is the vocabulary. Seed, a way a flowering plant reproduces.
Spores, a way that a non-flowering plant reproduces.
Vertebrate, an animal that has a backbone.
Invertebrate, an animal without a backbone.
Qualitative, an opinion, totally subjective.
Usually quantitative, usually a number that can be.
I'm Callahan.
And I'm Josh.
Today we are learning about quantitative and qualitative. The peanut plant has 4 leaves as quantitative.
The peanut plant is light green. Quantitative.
The peanut plant is leaning towards the window. It's qualitative.
The peanut plant is 4.5 inches tall. Quantitative.
Okay.
Quantitative and
Quantitative is usually a number can be measured.
Qualitative is an opinion. Subjective.
Okay, bye. I'm Callahan.
And I'm Josh. His nickname is Cornbread.
I'm Callahan.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Josh.
I'm Genesis. This is another episode of iClassroom with our special guests, Callahan, Short, Cornbread, and Josh.
This is our study guide.
We are gonna go over some few answers.
Okay. Which of the following lists are examples of invertebrates? The answer is B, earthworm, and shrimp.
Warm-blooded means you can't control your body temperature.
Which physical characteristics classify an animal as a mammal? Fur and lungs.
Which type of plant reproduce with spores, not seeds, ferns, or lichens? Those are non-flowering.
Based on the chart, which of the following statement is true? No warm-blooded animals live in the water. There are no cold-blooded amphibians. All of these animals live on land. All animals that live on land are warm-blooded, and the answer is no warm-blooded animals live in the water.
Except for a dolphin.
no cold-blooded
Oh, no.
Hold on. All the animals live on land.
All of these animals live on land. Sorry.
What is the difference between plants and animals? Plants are usually in the ground, and they have photosynthesis. And animals, most of them move around, and they're warm-blooded or cold-blooded.
And have backbones.
Characterize each statement.
It went away.
Characterize each statement as an observation, prediction of inference.
Earthworms will continue to crawl around on the surface of the dirt when I open the box. That is a prediction.
Why is it a prediction?
Why?
Mhm.
It's a prediction because they're predicting of what will happen after they open the box.
Right. Very good.
These earthworms burrowed under the dirt because the light from the room made them uncomfortable. It is an inference.
Why is it an inference? What did they do that made it an inference? Remember, they took what they knew about two different things and did what?
They put it together.
Yes.
I noticed that earthworms burrowed into the dirt when I opened the box. This is an observation.
Complete the boxes on the chart to make it accurate. Give the chart a title on the top line. Fill in the title of the last column.
Okay, so what would y'all label that chart as?
Animals.
Animal facts. Or characteristics, right?
Yeah.
All right, so Genesis, start with body coverings.
The body covering for mammals, fish, amphibians, reptiles, and birds are: for mammals, fur; fish, scales; amphibians, moist skin; reptiles, dry scales; birds, feathers.
All right, and just an FYI, it got cut off. Woohoo, right here, that should be birds, just so you know.
Birds. For mammals, fish, amphibians, reptiles, and birds. Mammals usually live. Fish, eggs. Amphibians, eggs. Reptiles, live birth or eggs. Birds, eggs.
How they breathe for mammals, fish, amphibians, reptiles, and birds. Mammals have lungs, fish have gills, amphibians have lungs and gills, reptiles have lungs, and birds also have lungs.
All right.
What characteristics would an animal have to be a reptile? Dry scales, live birth or eggs, and lungs. This has been another episode. Well, not yet.
Whoa.
You can do that, the Venn diagram. Just say what 1, 2, 3, and 4 should be on the Venn diagram.
On this Venn diagram,
For number 1.
the number 1 should be seeds. The number 2 should be plants, and number 3 should be reproduce. Number 4 should be spores.
And then you should ask the teacher about the dichotomous key, since we went over it in class. Everybody? Say bye.
Bye.
Deuces.